Hey guys, it's Alex and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be doing some sparkle dust slime. So our ingredients are Elmer's glue or school glue, Gillette foamy men's shaving cream, and we're gonna use our sparkle dust to make it super extra, of course. You also wanna add some borax powder to a cup of hot water. You're gonna need a bowl and any type of mixer that you can find in your kitchen. Our first step is to dump out all of the glue into the bowl. The more glue you have, the more slime you'll make. Now we're gonna add equal amount of shaving cream. So the shaving cream, what it does is it makes the slime that super foamy consistency, so it's extra fun to play with. And now just mix it all together. Who else can agree that this is oddly satisfying to watch? This was super fun to mix, which is kind of lame. Now for the fun part, we're gonna add in our sparkle dust to make our slime super sparkly. Once you've added it in, just mix it all together. Now our activator comes into play. So we're gonna take a teaspoon of borax and add that into the hot water, mix it together, and then put little amounts of the borax plus water into our pre-mixed slime bowl. This is an activator, so it will turn your glue, foam, and sparkle dust into actual slime. If you need more activator, just grab another teaspoon and put that into the bowl. And just keep on mixing. Finally, the fun part, get ready to knead the slime with your hands. So you're just gonna grab it, poke it, punch it, play with it, get it extra slimy so that you have your perfectly foamy, slimy slime. This is honestly the best part of my day. Making slime. There you have it, tartlets. This is my favorite way to make slime. I love to use the foam because it completely changes the consistency and makes it extra foamy and not as sticky. If you guys want to see more videos like this, just let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun and easy slime tutorial featuring our sparkle dust. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye, tartlets.